Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Snapchat does not give any official update of dark mode, but you use dark mode in Snapchat by using some tricks. Currently Snapchat is most trending application on Google Play Store. Currently 1 billion plus download on Google Play Store. Also most of the iPhone users are using Snapchat and missing features of dark mode. So let's start this video. This method works on iPhone or Android, both devices. So first of all, find Snapchat on home screen. Tap on Snapchat and press. Here you can see app info. By clicking app info, you go storage usage. Here clear all data of Snapchat. After clearing app cache or data, first of all we go to home screen and finding your setting application. You can find setting application by toggling your notification or home screen. Here scroll down setting and search for additional setting. Here I found additional setting. In your devices, synonyms of additional setting has also available, so you can see here. After additional setting, go for developer option and first of all enable developer option in your phone. If you enable, then this tricks work. If you don't find developer option in your phone, so please go your setting and about phone and click your Android version. After clicking 7 times, developer option automatically enable your phone. In developer option, scroll down and find show all ANR. Simply you switch off your ANR service. After turning off ANR service, go back and find display and brightness. Here you can go night shield and comfortable nightmare reading enable. After enabling comfortable nightmare reading, you can see your devices has dark mode, and when you open a Snapchat, you can simply look like a dark mode. Now you can enjoy Snapchat in dark mode. In iOS devices, simply find dark mode in your phone and enable. After enabling, you see Snapchat works in dark mode, or also Android 10. Thanks for watching.